Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to enable or disable JavaScript in Safari on Mac. So first of all, let's navigate and open the Safari browser on your Mac. Once Safari is open, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on Safari from the menu bar. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. A new settings panel will pop up on your Mac screen. Now go to this panel and open the Security section. Inside the Security section, look for the option called Enable JavaScript. If you want to enable it, just check the box and JavaScript will be enabled. Actually, JavaScript helps websites load interactive features like buttons, forms, videos, and animations, so many websites may not work properly if it is turned off. If you want to disable JavaScript, simply uncheck the box. The changes will be applied instantly, and you can refresh your browser to see the effect. And that's it. This is how you can enable or disable JavaScript in Safari on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.